Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a makeup product review on the new Tower 28 matte blush. This is their Getset Blurring Matte Blush in the shade Long Beach Iced Tea. When I saw this shade, I really wanted to get my hands on it just because it's really nice and muted, and I thought it would be really fun for the springtime. I created this beautiful nude muted look for you guys, and I had so much fun playing with this product. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try this product out, share my honest thoughts with you guys, and if you're interested in knowing how I created this beautiful makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm gonna get started with skin prep. I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. This is the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin. Next up, I want to prime. I have here the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore-Smooth Blur Drops. I've really been liking this primer. It's really nice and lightweight and watery, and it does a really good job of just blurring everything out. And it has some good skincare ingredients as well, which I love. And just quickly prepping the lips with the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Plumping Gloss. This is the Maximum Plump Gloss. I absolutely love the Too Faced lip glosses because it gets your lips ready for any lip product. It adds nice moisture and just plumps them up, so I love it. Next up, I'm just going to color correct with my e.l.f. color corrector. This is just going to help blur out all of my hyperpigmentation that I have or any acne scarring that I have. Next up, I want to go in with foundation. I have here the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation. Next up, we're going to conceal the face. I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to blend this all out and then set everything in place with the Huda Beauty Setting Powder. And just setting around the mouth. I'm gonna let the powder sit for about 30 seconds, then I'm gonna brush it away and just kind of add it to the rest of the face to set the foundation in place as well. This is a good step to do, especially when you're using powder products. Since we're going in with powder, contour, blush, and highlight today, we want to make sure the base is nice and set, or else the product might go on patchy, and we don't want that. You can use your setting powder to do this, or you could use a face powder as well. I'm gonna go in with the Hanalei Matte Bronzer just to contour the face. I'm gonna use an angled brush to do so. I feel like it's been so long since I've powder contoured my face, so I'm kind of thrown off. I'm so used to using cream products, but I absolutely love this bronzer and I can't believe I haven't used it in so long. Using an eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to contour out the nose, super subtle, nothing too crazy. Take some setting powder just to clean it up. Time to jump into the product that we're going to be reviewing today. I'm super excited to be trying this new Tower 28 blush. This is their Blur and Set Matte Powder Blush, and I got the shade Long Beach Iced Tea. This is more of like a muted blush compared to what I already have, so I'm super excited to see how it performs against my skin tone, and I'm excited to see how it looks, and I'm hoping to create a really cute kind of muted soft glam spring makeup look, so we'll see how it goes. Here is what the shade looks like. It's super muted. I really hope it shows up against my skin tone. I'm gonna go in with a soft angled brush. Oh wow, that is so pretty. This is exactly what I was hoping to get out of the blush. It's a beautiful soft pink against my skin tone. This stuff is super blurring, you guys. Wow. I find it's also buildable, which is great. You can keep on adding more to get a deeper pigment. This is such a beautiful color. I'm obsessed. Gonna put some on my nose and the chin, of course. I'm obsessed with this blush color. It's absolutely beautiful. If I'm honest with you guys, I was a little bit worried that it wouldn't show up against my skin tone, but it definitely does, and it's buildable and it's blurring. I'm obsessed, and I love that it's a matte finish. I'm always here for a matte blush look, you guys. I am obsessed. I low-key want to get more shades. Just gonna clean up the cheeks a little bit before I go in with highlight. Just using a little bit of setting powder. Gonna go in with Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby, my favorite highlight. Stop, I am obsessed. This combo is everything. Gonna take off the plumping gloss because it's all done doing its thing. You can see my lips look nice and plump and they're nice and moisturized, ready for lipstick. I'm gonna add some highlight on my Cupid's bow and my nose, of course. Gonna quickly wrap up the rest of the face. I'm going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow just to do my brows, and I'm in the shade 4. Gonna quickly work on the eyes. I'm gonna take the matte bronzer that I used and I'm just gonna add that into my crease just to add some definition. I'm gonna add some highlight in the inner corners of my eye as well. The last thing I want to do is just add some mascara to the eyes, and I want to go in with some brown mascara. I have a new one in my collection. This is the No Chill Mascara by LAVAA Los Angeles. Wow, I actually really like this mascara. It has beautiful volume and length, and the lashes look nice and separated and fanned out. It doesn't clump. I'm actually really impressed. We're almost done with the look. I just want to wrap up the lips. I'm going in with a brown lip liner. I actually don't know what this is because the packaging faded out, but just go in with anything dark brown. And for lipstick, I want to go in with a classic nude by MAC. This is the shade Yash. I am obsessed with this nude lipstick by MAC. I actually do have a video up on my channel where I share all of my favorites by MAC. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. The very last thing I have to do is lock everything in place, and I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, I think it's safe to say that I love this blush. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It performed beautifully. My cheeks and my face look nice and blurred. There's wonderful pigment. It blends really easily. I'm obsessed. I also love the shade. I love how soft it is, how muted it is. I definitely want to get more shades just because I love the product quality. I hope you guys liked this muted nude makeup look that is perfect for spring, summer. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Also, let me know if you guys have tried out the new Tower 28 blushes, and let me know what shade you grabbed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!